Hey loves, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a nail inspired by Versace 2023 spring line. I saw this design everywhere, especially on the runway, and I was like, I really like that design, so I need to recreate it on a nail. So this is how I'm going to do it. I know this video is pretty small or quick, whatever, but I've been having this video in my file for a very long time, and I was like, you know what, I need to edit and just upload it for you guys, even though it might be short, but I'm just showing you guys the, how I created the design. So I'm going in with this nail stamping plate that I got off Amazon or eBay, I don't really remember, and I am going to go ahead and create a little smile line, not too deep, just enough to kind of leave that blank space whenever I do go in and add some little jewels. So I'm going to go in with this little raggedy brush. I've been having this for, I don't know, 12, 13, 14 years. It's very long time, but it's an eyeshadow brush. And I just transition it and just use it for nail designs now. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some black gel polish on the tip of the nails, just covering that previous nail design. I will be bringing you guys that nail design soon. I just need to edit that too. And towards the end, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys like, share, and comment down below and let me know what you guys thought about this nail design. And if you do have any ideas or recreations you would like for me to recreate, just let me know. Send me a DM on Instagram or leave it down below in the comment section. So now I'm going to go ahead and line the top part of that lace with this Nails by Deb liner brush. I really like using this one just to create kind of like lines. That's it. And I'm just using a regular gel polish. After I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and add some butterflies, you guys. I'm going to do the same thing to the other nail. And the gel polish that I'm using is from Mayor. You can buy it on Silaboo website, or you could just use a regular gel polish from Amazon. Honestly, this is what I have on my table, so that's what I use. I kind of removed all my Amazon gel polishes, not because I don't think they're worth the quality. It's just I created an allergic reaction from them. I got an allergy from them, to be honest, and I had to remove some of them. So this product right here does not give me allergies, so this is what I use now. I just want to put it out there, disclaimer, it's not all Amazon gel polishes give me allergies, just certain brands, and I'm not going to go into it, but if you guys would like for me to go into it on a different video, let me know. So I'm going to be using some butterflies. I'm going to be using those colorful ones because that's what I saw on the design of the clothes. So I'm just going to add 2 of them. Prior to adding the little polka dots, I'm making sure I kind of rub it in there so it doesn't pop off whenever I do apply like my top coat. And that's what I'm doing. Look how cute they look. Oh, so pretty. Sometimes I wish I could wear some long nails, but honestly I can't do it, especially since I weight lift. I would break my poor little nails and I'll be crying for reals, and I have natural nails, so it took me a very long time to actually grow them out, and I'm giving them up. So now I'm going to go in with some white gel polish with a dotting tool. This one's a pretty big one compared to like the little dotting tools. So this is why I use this one, because of the dotting. It leaves those little holes bigger than the regular dotters. So I'm using this one, and I'm just adding it where I feel like it's going to look pretty. And it doesn't really have a pattern. Well, it kind of does, but not really. I'm just adding the white polka dots everywhere where I think it's just going to look nice. And I'm going to do it to the other nail as well.